Okay, today we're going to replace the wire lead off in the battery. You will have the new one like this. What you want to do is remember that the red wire goes to the red positive terminal, black to the negative terminal. You want to get a razor knife. I'm going to remove this rubber insulation here. It's called a heat shrink insulation. You want to cut that down like so. You might be able to peel it off with your fingers. If not, you might have to use some pliers. When you remove it, you'll see there's a nut and a screw there. I'm going to remove that. And replace it with the new one. Very simple. Put the nut through there. Make sure you have the red wire going to the positive terminal. And apply the shrink tubing. Will go back on there. Like so. You want to tighten that up. You want to tighten it up good and tight. Then put the shrink tubing on it. It's going to be a bit of a tight fit over there. And we're going to have to start again.